And he still does it everywhere. It has been a few months since BTS's Jungkook kicked off his soloist era, starting with the single, 7, followed by 3D, and finally a solo album, Golden. During most of his solo activities, Jungkook has been working with dancers from the popular crew Jam Republic. Though the team represents many dancers from across the globe, the BTS member has been performing primarily with a set group of 6 male dancers. During his promotions for 3D, he was joined by the female dancers from Jam Republic, who have gained significant popularity after appearing on Manette's survival dance show, Street Woman Fighter 2. Members Latrice, Kirsten, Audrey, Emma, and Ling gave back-to-back excellent performances on the show, winning their team second place. 4 of the members except Emma appeared in 2 videos with Jungkook, one being the dance practice of 3D, and the other, the official live performance of the same track. In a recent interview with Korea Now, 3 of the Jam Republic members, Latrice, Kirsten, and Audrey, sat down to talk about their journey as dancers and experiences in South Korea. The conversation naturally flowed toward their work with Jungkook, and Kirsten fondly remembered him as shy, but fun to work with. When the interviewer asked about behind-the-scene episodes from working with the singer, Latrice mentioned that he had picked up a cute habit from them. Turns out that the Jam Republic members say, "Let's go," among themselves instead of, "Let's go," and Jungkook swiftly adopted that word into his vocabulary. Latrice laughed and wondered, "I think he's saying that around." Jungkook is, in fact, saying it around and has mentioned it multiple times during his recent Stationhead listening parties. This cute little story has got ARMYs endeared, and they hope to see Jungkook work with these talented dancers again in the future.